students, so we have completed worksheet 3 up to question 6. Now we will start question number 7. Okay. So question number 7 is LCM of two polynomials is given. First polynomial is 12x to the power 4 minus x square, and second polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. And their polynomial LCM of these two polynomials is given as kx square x minus p, x minus q and x minus r. Okay, these two polynomials are given and LCM of these two polynomials is given as this one. Okay, so we have to find the value of k. So first we will make factorization of this. We will calculate the factors of this polynomial, then this polynomial, then we will find out what is actual LCM. Then we will compare the both LCMs. Okay. So first, from first polynomial, if I take x common, we can take x common from this bracket. If I take x common, what is remaining in the bracket? It is x cube minus x. Okay, I have taken one x common. Here it is remaining x cube and here it will be x cube minus x. Okay. Okay, I can take x square common actually. So it can be, because it is x square here, lowest term is x square, so I can take x square common. Okay, I have taken x square common, so remaining in the bracket is x square, and here x square is common, so remaining is 1 only. So 12x square. Now I can write x square minus 1 as x square minus 1 square. 1 square is 1, so I can write it as now 12x square. Now this is the formula of a square minus b square. What was the formula for a square minus b square? It was a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I will use this formula to calculate the factors. So what it will be? A square minus b square. It will be a square, that is x square. Oh sorry, I have written wrong. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So I can write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So it will be x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, we have calculated the factors. 12x square, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now second polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 3x square, 3x cube plus 2x square. Now I can take common. What I can take common from this? I can take x square common. So it will be, if I take x square common from x to the power 4, remaining is x square. Now minus 3x plus 2x plus 2. I have taken x square common, so here is 2. Now x square, we have to find the factors of this. So how will you will find? We have to find two numbers, so multiplication should be plus 2. Okay, and whose sum should be minus 3. So we will find the factors first. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. We have found two numbers that whose multiplication is 2. Now we want plus minus, plus as their sum as minus 3. So when it will be minus 3? It will be minus 3 when minus 2 will be multiplied by minus 1. Their multiplication is 2, minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is 2, and their sum minus 2 minus 1 is coming as minus 3, middle term. Okay, we want two numbers whose multiplication should be 2 and whose sum should be middle term, that is minus 3. Okay, we have found those two numbers are minus 2 and minus 1. So it will be x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So from first two terms we take common x, it will be x minus 2. Again second bracket will be same as it is, x minus 2, x minus 2. So from third and fourth what is remaining? If I take x minus 2, it is minus 1. Minus x and minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 2. So the factors are x minus 2, x minus 1. Now LCM, we will calculate LCM. LCM, how we will calculate? We will first take out common factors from this and this. Common factor is x minus 1. So we will write x minus 1 and no other is common factor. So we will write uncommon factors. Common factor we have to write just once. Okay. Uncommon factors are x minus 2, x plus 1 and 12x square. Okay. So if I arrange it properly, it will be 12x square, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay. Understood up to this? Now we have calculated LCM this as this, but LCM was already given. What was given LCM? LCM given was kx square, x minus p, x minus q and x minus r. Okay. This was the LCM given to us, but we have calculated this LCM. LCM equals to this one. So if we compare this and we have calculated and the given LCM, what we will get? I write it repeatedly. It is 12x square, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. We have to find, okay, it is a multi-correct choice test. So we have to check all the options. Now from this given LCM and we have calculated LCM. If we compare this, see, k instead of it is written as 12. So k will be equals to 12. X square is as it is. Here is x minus p. Here is x minus 1. So p will be equals to 1. Here is x minus q. Here is x plus 1. Here is plus 1. Means value of q is minus 1. Why q is minus 1? Because x minus q. If we compare this, the value of q should be minus 1. Because if I put minus 1 instead of q, it should be x plus 1. This one. Okay. That's why value of q should be minus 1. And value of r, x minus r, x minus 2, value of r should be 2. Now first option is given as k equals to 12. So first option is correct. Now second option is p plus q plus r. P plus q plus r. If we plus sum of this, what is going to be? 1 plus minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1, 0, 2. So p plus q plus r is equals to 2. So second option is also correct. Now third one, p multiplied by q multiplied by r. Let us see. 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by 2. So it will be 1 1 are 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So third option P into Q into R is equals to -2. So third option is also correct. Now fourth one, P plus Q plus R is equals to 0. But we have just found P plus Q plus R is equals to 2. So fourth option is wrong. So first option, second option and third option are correct, as it is a multi-correct choice type. Okay. Now statement type. Statement 1 is given as product of HCF and LCM is equals to f of x into g of x. It is a correct statement. I have taken the problem of like that, HCF into LCM is equals to, I have written product of two numbers or two polynomials. F of x is one polynomial and g of x is another polynomial. Therefore, HCF into LCM is product of two polynomials. Okay. So the statement first is correct. Now second statement, HCF of two polynomials are given. So x square plus 7x plus 6 and other one is given x square minus 5x minus 6. So we have to find the factors first. So first factors of first will be, we have to find two numbers whose multiplication is 6 and sum is 7. So those two numbers are 6 and 1. So factors will be x plus 6 and x plus 1. See, their multiplication is 6 into 1, 6, and their sum 6 plus 1, 7. So x plus 6 and x plus 1 are factors. Now minus 6. We have to find two numbers whose multiplication is minus 6. Let us see, 2 into 3 is 6. But we have to, we want here minus. So if we take minus here, 2 into minus 3, it is minus 6. No, it is not. So if I take 6 into 1, 6 into 1 is 6, but here it is minus. If I take minus here, 6 into 1, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 and minus 6 plus 5. Their sum is coming as minus 5. So their factors will be x minus 6 and x plus 1. Okay. Now HCF is given already. HCF is given as x plus 1 and their LCM is given as, let us find out first, then see what is given. HCF. Now take out common factors from this. Common factors are x plus 1, x plus 1. So the HCF will be only a common factor, that is x plus 1. Now LCM. LCM is the combination of common and uncommon factors. Okay. So LCM is x plus 1 common factor. I have taken common factor, write only once. Okay. X plus 1. Now take uncommon factors. Uncommon factors are x plus 6, x minus 6. So LCM will be x plus 1, x plus 6, x minus 6. Now see the statement. HCF of these two polynomials is x plus 1 and LCM is x plus 1, x plus 6, x minus 6. So these are correct. So the statement 2 is also correct. So both statements are true. Okay. Now comprehension type. Ninth one, the HCF of two numbers is, we have to find the HCF of x to the power 4 minus 27 a cube and x minus 3a whole square. We have to find the HCF of these two polynomials. First we will find the factors. So if I take x common from this, then what is remaining? X in the bracket x cube minus 27 a cube. Okay. Now if x is written as it is x cube minus, can I write 27 as 3 cube? Yes, it is a 3a cube. Okay, I can write 27 as 3 cube. A is also cube, so I have also taken it in bracket. 3a cube is 27a cube. So it will be x. Now formula of a cube minus b cube is, what is formula of a cube minus b cube? It is a plus b, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So I can apply this formula in this. This is a, this is b. So first is a minus b. A minus b means x minus 3a. Now a square is x square plus ab means 3ax plus b square is 3 square is 9a square. Okay. Now we will find the factors of other polynomial that was given x minus 3a whole square. Now we can also find the factors by, this is a formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. What was the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. We can apply this formula here. So it will be x minus 3a now as it is here. Now a square is x square minus 2ab twice 2 into x into 3a. It will be 6ax plus b square means plus 3a whole square means plus 9a square. So we have to find two numbers whose multiplication should be 9a square and whose sum should be minus 6. So factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Now there is also a. So we will take a. 3a multiplied by 3a. 3a multiplied by 3a is 9a square. We have got 9a square multiplication. Now we want minus 6a. So it will be not minus 6a, it will be sum of this. It will be plus 6a. 3a plus 3a is 6a. We want minus. So we will take here minus. So its multiplication is 9a square and its sum is minus 6a. Okay. So the factors will be x square minus 3a, x minus 3a and x minus 3a. Okay. Now these are the factors of this polynomial and these are the factors of this polynomial. Now we have to find HCF. Take out common. What is common? X minus 3a is common. X minus 3a, x minus 3a. And no other is common. So x minus 3a will be HCF. Okay. So the option is fourth one, x minus 3a. It is the HCF. Okay. Now 10th. Now again HCF is asked. X minus 3, x square plus x minus 2, minus 5x plus 6. Now we will find the factors of this polynomial. X minus 3 will remain as it is. Now find the factors that whose sum multiplication should be minus 2 and sum will be plus 1. So factors of 2 are 2 multiplied by 1. But here is minus 2. So we will take here minus 2, then it will be 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the factors are x plus 2, x minus 1. Okay. Now for this polynomial, we want two numbers whose multiplication should be 6. 2 into 3 is plus 6, but here it is minus 5. So if I take minus 2 and minus 3, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, and if we sum up this, minus 2 into minus 3, it is minus 5. Okay. So the factors will be x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay. Now again we have to find the HCF. Take out the common factors. What are common factors? X minus 3 is the common factor. Here it is x minus 3, here it is x minus 3. So the HCF will be x minus 3. Okay. So the option number is, for 10th question, option is third, x minus 3. Now 11th. Again it is HCF. We have to find HCF of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. And another term is x square minus 2x minus 3. First we will find the factors of this polynomial first. Okay. Now on page number 14, I am again telling you, read the note 1 and 2 of page number 14. If sum of coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 will be the factor. See the coefficients. 1, here x cube's coefficient is 1, minus 2, minus 5 plus 6. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6, plus 6 is 0. Sum of coefficients is coming 0. So if sum of coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. So we have found the one factor, x minus 1 is the factor. Okay. Now for other factors, we will just put in the values of the option. So first option is x minus 3, second one is x minus 6, third one is x plus 3, and fourth one is x minus 1. So we have found that x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Now we have to find if other options are the factors of this or not. So how we will find? If x minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial, then x should be equals to 3. We will just put x equals to 3 in this polynomial. Okay. Then what it will be? It will be 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So it will be 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square 9 to the 18 minus 15 plus 6. So it is equals to, if I 27 minus 18 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 minus 15 is 0. So it is coming 0. So x minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Okay. I write it here. X minus 1 was the factor 1, and second factor is coming as x minus 3. Okay. It should be equals to 0. Then it should be the factor of this polynomial. Now for x minus 6. If this is the factor of this polynomial, x equals to 6 should be 0. If I put x equals to 6, this polynomial should come 0. Let us see if it is or not. It will be, if I put x equals to 6, it will be 6 cube minus 2 into 6 square minus 5 into 6 plus 6. So 6 cube is 216 minus 6 square is 36 into 2, 72 minus 30 plus 6. So it is not coming 0 from the numbers we are seeing. Here if I plus this, it is not equals to 216, so it should not be equals to 0. So x minus 6 is not the factor of this polynomial. Now let us take for x equals to x plus 3. So for x plus 3, x should be equals to minus 3. For x equals to minus 3, this should be 0 if this is the factor. Okay. So let us put x equals to minus 3. So it will be minus 3 cube minus 2 into minus 3 square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. So minus 3 cube, it should be minus 27. Now minus 3 square is 9. 9 to the 18. Minus 5 into minus 3 15 plus 6. Now minus 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 minus 18 3. It is not coming 0. Okay. So x plus 3 is not the factor of this polynomial. And again x minus 1 we have found by summing of the coefficients. So if sum of the coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. So from the options we have found x minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors of this. Okay. Now let us see another polynomial given in that. So this is the first polynomial given in the problem. We have found the factors x minus 1 and x minus 3. Now another is x square minus 2x minus 3. So x square minus 2x minus 3. So the factors of this should be two numbers that whose multiplication is minus 3. 3 into 1 is minus 3. But 3 into 1 is 3. But here it is minus. So I can take here minus. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. And if we sum up this minus 3 plus 1, it is minus 2. Okay. So the factors will be x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay. You have understood? Now we have to find HCF. HCF of these two. Let us take the common ones. Common ones are x minus 3 only. So x minus 3 is the common. So HCF will be x minus 3. Okay. So the option is first one. HCF is x minus 3. Now 12th one, matrix match type. The HCF of x cube y square. And minus 5y square. We have to find the HCF of this first. First question is we have to find the HCF of this. So here it is x cube. And here it is minus 5. We can write as minus 1 into 5. And y is 2 times as it is y square. Is it coming blur? So factors we have found. Now HCF is the common ones. Common are y and y and y. So the HCF will be y square. Okay. HCF of these two polynomial is y square. So the option is for A, it is S. Okay. Now B, 4x cube 6y square and 8z. We have to find again the HCF. Okay. So we will find the factors. Factor of 4 is 2 into 2. X cube means x 3 times x. And 6 factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Y square is y into y. Now 8z. 8z means factors of 8 are 2 into 2 into 2 into z. Okay. Now HCF is, take out the common factors. Common ones are 2 is common. Now again, what is common? No, nothing is common, only 2 is common. So the HCF of these three polynomials is 2. So the option B, for question B, answer is R, that is HCF is 2. Now C, the HCF of 2x square y cube ten x cube y square and 14xy. Now factors of 2 is only 2 multiplied by 1, that is x is 2 times, so you will write 2 times. Y cube means 3 times y. Now 10x square, x cube y square. For 10 factors are 2 into 5. X cube means 3 times x and y square means 2 times y. Now for 14 factors are 2 into 7 and x multiplied by y. Okay. So these are the factors. We have to find HCF. So take out the common ones. Common are 2 and x is also common. Again nothing is common, only 2 and x are common. So the HCF will be, for these three polynomials, HCF will be 2x. So the option is Q. No, the y is also common. Yeah. Okay. 2, x and y are common in these three polynomials. So HCF will be 2xy. So the option is Q, 2xy. Okay. Now D, the HCF of 5x cube minus 15x square and 45x. These are the three polynomials given and we have to find HCF. We will find the factors first. 5x cube means 5 into x cube means 3 times x. Minus 15 means minus 1 into 3 into 5. X square means 2 times x. Now 45, factors of 45. 5 into 3 into 3 and x is 1 time only. So we have to find HCF. Take out the common factors. Common factors are 5 and again x is also common. Again nothing is common in 3 of them. So the HCF will be common ones, that is 5x. Okay. So the option is P. For question D, 12D, option is P. That is HCF is coming as 5x. Okay. Now 13th. x minus k is the HCF of x square plus x minus 12. And 2x square minus kx minus 9. So the HCF is given as x minus k. Two polynomials are given, first and second, and their HCF is given as x minus k, and we have to find the value of k. Okay. Now we will find the factors of this first one. So whose multiplication is 12 first. 3 into 4 is 12, but here it is minus, so we will put here minus. We have to put in both the numbers because it is only one. Okay, so it will be minus 12. 3 into here it is plus 1, so we have to put it in small number. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, and minus 3, if we sum up these minus 3 plus 4, it will be 1. Middle term, that is 1. Okay, so the factors are x minus 3 and x plus 4. Okay. Now factors of first polynomial has come 6, x minus 3 and x plus 4. So from this we can put the value of x. It is coming as x minus 3 and x plus 4. So from this it will x minus 3 will be equals to 0, as this is the factor, okay, of this polynomial. So it will be x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 4. Okay, so we have to just put it the value of x equals to 3 in this polynomial. So we will get the value of k. Now 2 x is 3 minus k into x, we have taken 3 minus 9. It will be equals to 0. Okay, I have just put in the value of factors. Factors are coming as x minus 3, x plus 4, and from this I have found x equals to 3, x equals to minus 4, and I am putting x equals to 3 in the second polynomial. Okay. No, so 2 into 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18, minus 3k minus 9 equals to 0. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. So minus 3k plus 9 equals to 0. Minus 3k will be equals to minus 9. K will be equals to 3. Okay. So the answer is k equals to 3 for these two polynomials. Okay. Got it? K is equals to 3. Question number 13. Now 14th. Again we have to find the HCF of 10 x square minus 1, 10 x in bracket x square minus 1, 15 x plus 1 to the power 4. I write it below. 15 x plus 1 to the power 4 into 2x plus 3. Okay, we have to find the HCF of these two polynomials. So first we will find the factors. So factor of 10 is 2 into 5. Now here it is x square minus 1. We can write it as x square minus 1 square. That is a square minus b square. Formula for a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Okay. So we can apply this formula here. X square minus 1 square is x plus 1, x minus 1. Now finding for these factors. Here it is 15. So factor of 15 is 3 into 5. Now x plus 1 to the power 4. Here it is, see, x plus 1 is only one time. So we will take only one x plus 1 outside outside means I am multiplying x plus 1 into x plus 1 cube. Okay. Here it is x plus 1 cube, it will be x plus 1 to the power 4. I have split it in two terms. Okay. Now 2x plus 3. So these are the factors of this polynomial. I only write x plus 1 to the power 4 as x plus 1 into x plus 1 to the power 3. It is also same as like x plus 1 to the power 4. Now find the common factors. Common ones are 5 and x plus 1. Okay. So the HCF will be 5 into x plus 1. So the option is second one. Okay. 5 into x plus 1. Now 15th question, the polynomials have the HCF as x square plus 3x plus 2 and into x square plus 2x plus a. Okay, and another polynomial is given as x square plus 7x plus 12 and x square plus 7x plus b, and we have to HCF is given as x plus 1 and x plus 3. And we have to find the value of a and b. Okay, because the options are given in the form of a equals to and b equals to. So these two polynomials are given and their HCF is given as x plus 1, x plus 3. So first we will find the factors of this first polynomial. Second we can't find because it is a. So we will find the factors of this one. It will be two numbers whose multiplication is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 and their sum is coming as 3. So the factors will be x plus 2 and x plus 1. And second bracket I write as it is. Now in this polynomial we can't find the factors because it is b. We will find the factors of this one. So two numbers whose multiplication is 12. Let us find 2 6 are 12. No, it will not be. Yeah, 3 4s are is 12, 3 into 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the factors will be x plus 3, x plus 4. And another bracket I write as it is. Okay, now we have found the factors of the first brackets. Now HCF is given as x plus 1 and x plus 3. If HCF is x plus 1 and x plus 3, so both the polynomials should contain x plus 1 and x plus 3. So in the first one, x plus 1 is already a factor. So x plus 3 should also be a factor because we find HCF by taking common factors from both the polynomials. So x plus 1 is the factor and x plus 3 should also be the factor of that polynomial because HCF is x plus 3. So I take it as 1, equation 1 and this is equation 2. So x plus 3 x plus 1 is already given, x plus 3 should also be a factor of that equation 1 because x plus 3 is HCF. So So if we put x equals to minus 3 in the first equation, if x plus 3 should be the factor, from this I have taken x plus 3 is equals to 0, then x equals to minus 3. Just put in the values here, x square plus 2x plus 8. If I put x equals to minus 3, then what it should be? It should be minus 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 3 plus 8. It is equals to 0. I have just put the x equals to minus 3 in place of x. So minus 3 square is 9. 2 into minus 3 is 6. Minus 6 plus 8 is equals to 0. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. So 8 is equals to minus 3. Okay? You have found the value of a is equals to minus 3. I write it here. A equals to minus 3 we have found. Now, we have solved for equation 1. Now for equation 2. If x plus 1 and x plus 3 is HCF, then second equation should also contain x plus 1 and x plus 3. So it is containing x plus 3 already. Only x plus 1 is not there. X plus 1 should be there to be the HCF of these two polynomials. Because HCF is given x plus 1 and x plus 3. It is containing x plus 3, but x plus 1 is not there. So x plus 1 should be the factor of equation 2. Okay? So if I take x plus 1 as the factor, so x plus 1 will be equals to 0, then x will be equals to minus 1. Then put x equals to minus 1 in this polynomial only, x square plus 7x plus b. So it will be equals to 0. I will put x equals to minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 7 into minus 1 plus b equals to 0. So minus 1 square is 1, minus 7 plus b equals to 0. So b will be equals to 1 minus 7 is minus 6. If I put it, 1 minus 7 is minus 6, b will be equals to 6. Okay. So a is coming as a equals to minus 3. And b is equals to 6. Okay. So the option is third one, that is a is equals to minus 3 and b is equals to 6. Okay. Now 16th, the LCM of x square minus 10x plus 24. X square minus 8x plus 12. Okay, we will take the remaining ones in the next lecture. Up to this, do you have any doubts?
No.
No? Okay. If you have any doubts again, if you study, then comment in the comment box. We will take that questions again. Okay. Bye. Thank you.